Hello, my name is Rhonda Taylor. I am the Assistant Superintendent for Curriculum and Instruction in the Uniondale Union Free School District. So today, Uniondale School District is sponsoring a debate championship between our elementary schools.
The spread of fake news has led to the spread of racism, misogyny, and homophobia due to the lack of accountability on the internet.
Currently they are full of nerves.
Therefore, no one can truly change the social media company practices but the social media company.
Most of them, this is their very first time debating, and they are extremely anxious.
Social media be fully regulated for complete privacy protection when there are different laws for different states in our country and different laws for different countries throughout the world.
Hi, my name is Stephanie Kaiser. I am the debate coach for Walnut Street Elementary School. I have seen so much growth in our scholars during debate club. They not only have been able to think critically, there is an increase in their confidence when they're public speaking, and they're learning to work cooperatively and as a team.
And so these amazing judges will be judging a competition now between Northern Parkway. They will be going against Smith Street's H team.
Is it the social media website that spreads false information, or is it the people using social media that spread the false information? So who is really to blame?
Pew Research continues to say that the 65 and older age group is the fastest growing demographic group on social media sites. This is interesting because senior citizens didn't have social media when they were our age.
Excited and just really amazed by all of you young people. Thank you.
Second place, Smith Street.